welcome to today's tutorial. Once again, this is Subcity Digitals, and today we'll be looking at how to use pixelab, our designing app, part 2. How to use pixelab part 2. The other day we looked at tests, so today we'll be looking at is shapes, how to use the shapes. Shapes is one of the important tools that we use while designing, one important element of design. So if you are just coming across us for the first time, please we'll beg that you please like this video, and make us know your thoughts about the video. What do you think about this video? Let us know in the comment section, and that's the only way you can encourage us. And please, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe so that when we make subsequent videos you'll be able to notify. So also click on the notification bell so that whenever we make videos you'll be the first to get it. Now, that day we clicked on A. I said you have to click on A if you want to edit anything. Send the A. Then after the A, that's a symbol by the right, the icons you are seeing by the right there. So after the A symbol, you see the other symbol, you see there, that shape, you click on it. So now when you click on the shape, you see shapes here. You can bring in any shapes. You see, you want to choose any shape of your choice. Almost all the shapes, so many shapes they are here, so you can choose anyone. So that is for that. Then this shape, you can decide to want to format it. You don't want it to be just like here, you format it by using the radius. You can even from here turn it to a circle. There's so many things you can do with this. You see, then from here you can also reduce the opacity. I told you the other time that opacity means how you want it. Is it you want it to be very clear or faint? Very clear or faint. That's for opacity. That is for opacity. Now stroke. Yeah, we do the opacity, but the stroke now. That stroke, and I can give it a stroke color. Like for example, click on it now. You see. That's for. So if you want to edit it, after click on edit. If you want to do anything there. So that's for that. So is there any other thing? You can also reduce well, in time you can blur the radius of the shape too. Blur the radius of the stroke. What is that? In time, when we start designing, there are a lot of things you'll be learning. This is just the fundamentals, the rudiments. Then this shape too, that we reduce the color, the opacity. You can also change the color, but that's when you have increased the opacity. You can change the color. You have to change the color to any color of your choice. So that's for that. Now when you come here to now let's move forward. That's for editing. Now this same shape, now you can decide to want to delete it. That's where you delete it. Come back. There you go. So you can decide to want to crop it, like you crop part of it out. That's for cropping. Now you can also decide you may want to draw. That's the draw tool. Now when you look at this draw now, it's on top of the shape. That's would have to front and to back that I told you the other time in the other video that I wanted to teach you. Now we can take this now to back. This shape now we can take it to back. it means that it's going to go to the back of every other thing. Then when you take it to front, it's going to come to the front. That's what to back and to front means. You know, copy to make it two. You can copy as many, but we're not copying now. Now the other thing also look at now this is a Bezier tool. I don't think we should use Bezier tool now because it's very deep and wide. We use it to draw, majorly to draw. I don't want to use Bezier tool now. It was very wide. This arrow, perhaps you need an arrow in your design. That arrow is also a shape too. Now moving for time is fast spent. And we are not going anywhere. Okay, which to back to front. We have done relative size before. Texture. Texture is using a picture, putting a picture as, like using a picture as a color. Well, you don't want to use a color, use a picture. So you're going to select a picture. When you touch it, you have to select a picture from your phone. I seen it. That picture now. I use it as somehow the color. That's how I can just explain it. So, with other thing are we looking at now? Let's look at can we use color filters here? Let's see. Color filters. You can change the color. Oh, let's see if I can use it here. You change the color to any color of your choice. Saturation means you want it to be very bright. Or you understand? Contrast. With time we'll be learning more about these color filters. We don't need this for now. For the beginning. Then this you look at stroke. Let's look at stroke. Can you see the stroke? Now you can change the stroke color to any color of your choice. That's this is the two type of stroke that we have. With time we'll explain it all better. We'll explain it better. Now you also have eraser. You can decide to want to erase a part for some reason. Erase a part of it. Erase a part of a shape. You see that part has been erased there. Eraser out. That's what eraser. Eraser, erase, erase, erase. Now the one we have is mask. Mask is still almost the same thing, but they just clicking some part out. Mask. Okay. That part is clicked out. Almost like eraser too, but with time we'll learn more about it. So the next thing we're looking at will rotate. We've done rotate before. 3D, we've done that perspective. It's still the same thing as test. Emboss. Majorly used for creating logos. When we go to logos and stuff like that, we'll do more. So once again, thank you for watching. With time, we'll be able to, when we start designing, we do more, and you know how to use these features more. You know how to use them better. We'll still be doing the portrait. Portrait will be doing more things, part of shape and part of this the background, how to change background and stuff like that. So God bless you. Thanks for watching. Share this video, comment, let us know your thoughts and what you think about it. God bless you.